Women's nipples are highly important, yet also an extremely sensitive area of the body. These small bumps are vital for the baby's development since that's how they get the mother's breast milk. Nipple pain is frequently associated with breastfeeding. And while it's true that a lot of women experience pain in this area due to breastfeeding, it's important to note that there are also other reasons why the nipples might hurt. Also, many women tend to wait for the pain to stop on its own without realizing that there are several very simple home remedies that can alleviate and cure this annoying pain. Here we show you a list of the 8 most common causes of nipple pain. Number 1. Breastfeeding. This is without a doubt that number 1 cause tend to be the result of the baby's sucking motion. A critical factor to reduce pain while breastfeeding is to have a healthy posture, including sitting upright idly with support for the feet and pillow for the head. The mother should always adopt a comfortable and firm position and titling the baby towards her, never the other way around. Uncomfortable positions can cause the baby to suck incorrectly, thus causing pain and in some cases infection problems. Number 2. Periods. Hormonal changes before and during one's period can make the breast enlarge slightly. The swelling causes nipple pain. However, the pain should only last a few days and completely disappear at the end of your period. In women whose cycle lasts 28 days, the pain and sensitivity tends to begin around day 21. Number 3. Pregnancy. As with periods, pregnancy also results in hormonal changes which can cause nipple pain. The breast and nipples tends to enlarge and areola can take on a darker color. Number 4. Friction. Intense activities such as exercise or sexual intercourse can make the nipples be subjected to a lot of friction. This causes irritation which can result in bleeding and intense pain. For high-impact athletes who participate in sports such as marathon, running, football or basketball, it's vital to use an appropriate sports bra which is the correct size. Number 5. Allergies. Given that it's a very sensitive area of the skin, the nipples are more exposed to allergies from various sources such as temperature changes, soaps and creams, clothes washing detergents, certain fabrics and many other factors. Number 6. Cancer. If in addition to the pain, other symptoms are also present such as a lump on the breast, reddish color of the nipples and kind of liquid discharge from the nipple, and any change in size or shape of the breast, it's vitally important that you see a doctor to carry out necessary tests to rule out any serious disease. Nipple pain has several causes and shouldn't be a reason to panic. But it's important to remember to perform frequent breast exams. Number 7. Mastitis. Mastitis is a breast infection caused by bacteria. It tends to be much more painful than the other causes and you will need to see a doctor to receive antibiotics. Number 8. Paget's disease. This is a very rare but not unheard of. If crust form on the nipples, it's time to see a doctor to rule out this disease. 4 very effective home remedies. Warm compress. Using a clean cloth soaked in lukewarm water, massage the nipples and breast 10 minutes before breastfeeding or working out. This soothes the discomfort and helps stop the pain. Oil massage. Using olive, coconut or almond oil, massage the area around the nipple, leaving the oil in the breast for as long as possible in order to nourish and moisturize the area. Apply vinegar with oil. The same massage above that is performed with oils can be done again here, adding a little antibiotic touch. Ice. An ice cube wrapped in a small cloth is a great reliever of swelling and redness. Applying ice for approximately 2 minutes several times per day tends to significantly reduce inflammation. Nipple pain is a very common problem and isn't only related to pregnancy. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your family and friends and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The tutorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.